What's up guys, so today we are going to the World Surf League in Kerasmas. I'm with my mate James. So yeah, I'm gonna fly the drone, get some awesome shots, and yeah, just have an awesome day really. So yeah, so we finally arrived at this place. I've forgotten the name of it. That was a long ride, like an hour for me on the back and James on the front. We finally made it, got through security, and yeah, we're gonna have an awesome day. Yeah, this is the scenery right now. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Unfortunately that was it. We didn't get to see much because I waited an hour and a half for my food. Got 2 free beers out of it, but yeah, didn't get to see much of the surf, which sucks. And I went to go fly my drone, and I've got black sand from the beach in the ports for the charger, and I need that to fly the drone, so I can't fly the drone either. Kinda sucks. Yeah, I might get in contact with WSL, see if they can give me some footage for the day. All around, I've been kind of unlucky today, and I've just ripped my pants. Sucks big time. The surf's still pumping out here. There's some decent surfers out there, so I'll get some footage of them. And me and James are just gonna chill for a bit because the queue, you have to get one of these things. The queue for that is awfully long, so we're gonna wait, I don't know, an hour here, chill here for an hour, and then go back. Wish I saw more of that competition, but thanks to these guys, I waited an hour and a half for a bloody bacon and egg sandwich.
Oh my god!
Not good.
I don't wanna